Hello and welcome to our April dairy market update. In this edition, we'll be looking at how markets have moved since January and what could happen in the coming months. In the first 2 months of 2019, we've seen record-breaking milk production, with the plentiful supplies putting pressure on the selling prices of dairy products. In the last market update video, Kat talked about how high production was expected to continue through the first quarter of 2019, and we estimate that the volumes of milk leaving UK farms in January and February were the highest for over 20 years. To remind you of the reasons behind such high production, follow the link to Kat's video in the description below. It's no surprise that wholesale prices have started to show the effects of increased availability of milk, at least in the UK. Brexit uncertainty, coupled with an expected bumper spring flush, means that buyers are in no rush to stock up and are waiting to see if prices fall further. As a result of this lacklustre demand, cream and butter prices fell in February. Skimmed milk powder and cheese prices, however, remained stable. As you would expect, Farmgate prices are starting to follow suit. The general downward trend in wholesale prices seen at the end of last year, impacting on processor returns, are now being seen in announcements of milk price reductions for February and March. This is in line with the typical 3-month lag. The drop in wholesale prices in February may add further pressure on Farmgate prices. Having said that, it's still uncertain how Brexit's progress will affect markets in the short term. So, to summarise, since the start of the year, we have seen wholesale market values drop due to record-breaking production and reduced demand. Sales of dairy products are still being stifled by the expectation of a bumper spring flush and pricing uncertainty associated with Brexit, with buyers waiting in anticipation of lower prices. Just how much more pressure is put on the markets from rising production and how this affects the direction of Farmgate milk prices will increasingly be influenced by the weather and quality of grazing as more cows are turned out to grass. As always, we will be keeping an eye on production and markets as they develop. If you'd like to sign up to receive regular updates from our market intelligence team, please visit our website at the following link.